Hello dears, welcome back to my channel. Supriya is fantasizing, and today we are talking about reducing screen time. Yes, you heard it right. In today's era of non-stop scrolling, it's time to stop now. And why I'm talking about reducing screen time, it's not about that you have to eliminate all your online works, activity or pleasure or the entertainment stuff. But what I mean is by number one, reducing screen time will help you in having enough time and energy to invest in your most important stuff and priority. Priority. It can be your study work, it can be your household work, or it can be your exercise or your favorite hobby time. Number second, make best out of your screen time. What it means, make best out of your screen. It means that after spending some time on screen, you must have the feeling that yes, I have gained something, or that you all just feel that the time you have invested there is worth it. Now number third is you are having personal development along with the content you are watching. Yes, you heard it right. It's very important that you are having your personal development. I have seen people, and even I have felt myself in the past, that when you aimlessly scroll through your social media or whatever, you felt very disgusting. You felt like you wasted your time, and you may felt like, oh my god, they are doing such good and I'm like lazy. Yeah, so you can't have that feeling inside your soul or spirit the whole time. So it's time to stop it now. So now you know what it means by reducing screen time and why it is important to do in our life too. So now let me show you how you can also do the same with me. So number one is replace your screen time with the things that you love to do. You can go for your favorite sport, you can read books, you can sing, you can dance, and you can even cook your favorite meal, and you can even go for a routine regular walk. It can be a great mood lifter, believe me. Number second, watching movies. Yes, you heard it right. Watching movies is one of the greatest mood lifter of all time, and believe me, I have tried and I have trusted this process so much. uh, if I talk about myself, I love English language and I love to learn more about English language. So I try to always watch movies in the English language. And what are the benefits of watching movie? After spending 2 hours on watching movie, you will introspect about the movie. You will work upon your own imagination, and yeah, you will have something to work upon, and it is a great way for your cognitive development. Or you also get your target language environment. For example, if you want to learn Bengali, if you want to learn French, German, or any language, you can go search movie on that language and watch it, and you will get the wholesome experience of that language environment. Yeah. Number three, yeah, ever felt like not in the mood to do anything? Now it's time for meditation. It can be 2 to 3 minutes, it can be 15 to 30 minutes, or whatever. You just have to do close your eyes, switch off the lights, and just do nothing but breathe. Yeah, it's just that simple. You can follow whenever you feel low instead of scrolling aimlessly. And number four is make your some favorite YouTubers. Believe me, guys, I love to play basketball, so I have some basketball videos always on my watch list. So whenever I have the urge to scroll, I go to my basketball videos and watch them. And all you have to do is find your passion and search for some YouTubers who have the same kind of zeal, and you will always feel encouraged and motivated. Believe me, because we are living in a era of chaos, right? We are living in a era of internet where there are so much information to grasp and nothing to behold. Yes, you are true. Even you can also observe that when you watch reels or shorts aimlessly without having any purpose, you will not able to remember anything at all. Yes, so what you can do is you can invest your time on screen that will benefit you in return. Okay, so it's make important to how to make best of your screen time. You can follow my 4 steps. I will give you a quick review. First is replace your screen time with the things that you love to do. You can read book, watch movie, etc. Number second is meditation. Number 3 is make some your favorite YouTubers, and number 4th is watching movie. Okay, bye bye. It's all for today. I will keep updating you and bring some more important stuff for you, so you can also keep inspired by me. Bye bye. See you soon.